Welcome to another episode of Open Mic. I'm Mark Murphy, CEO of Atlatl Software, joined today by Zach Cooper, Director of Sales. Zach, you know, this is our 25th episode of Open Mic.
25.
And we're right around Christmas time, so we're going to talk about what manufacturers want under the tree. And if they're looking forward to a great 2019 and they want speed to quote, closing more deals, more efficiencies in their sales process, and the ultimate gift of bottom line revenue growth, what are they going to be looking for under the tree?
The gift of quoting. We're going to encourage every manufacturer to give their sales team exactly what they need, CPQ technology. When it comes to configure, price, quote, you're going to accelerate your quoting cycles. You're going to cut a lot of overhead with significant cost efficiencies throughout your process. You're going to give a better buying experience. You're going to be able to react to those customer demands. And ultimately, you're going to close more deals. And by lowering that overhead, by accelerating your speed to quote, you're going to see growth in your margins, which is going to deliver that bottom line scale that we all want to see at the end of the year.
Excellent. Thank you. To all our customers, our future customers, and our partners, happy holidays and best of luck in 2019.
Merry Christmas.